Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I am going to be cleaning up after dinner in my kitchen, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Doing something as simple as cleaning up after dinner is a multitude of tiny tidies all put into one. So today I'm going to show you all the tinies that take place when I clean up after dinner. I hope to motivate and inspire you to tidy along with me. I want to thank Sunday Dawn, as always, for putting this playlist together each and every Tuesday. Please check out her channel, The Helpful Home, and today's Tiny Tidy playlist, all in my description box below. All you have to do is click on those links and you can get lots of tiny tidy motivation today. Did you know that simply throwing out any leftover foods that you have that you're not going to store in the refrigerator, anything left in your plates or your bowls, did you know that in and of itself is an after dinner tiny tidy?
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin, even with my eyes still closed.
You could just do that one tiny tidy and leave your dishes sitting in the sink. However, you can take it a step farther and do another tiny tidy, which is simply either washing your dishes or loading your dishes in the dishwasher.
I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden.
Rinsing out any food residue from your sink, guess what that is? Yes, another after dinner tiny tidy.
I follow my golden, golden,
Returning any items to their home, another tiny tidy.
golden things.
Taking a quick inventory of your pantry or your refrigerator and restocking when necessary, again, another after dinner or really any time of day tiny tidy.
Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, gold.
Emptying a full trash can and taking out that trash, you guessed it, another tiny tidy.
I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Wiping down the countertops after dinner, yes, another tiny tidy.
Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon.
all have spaces in our homes that collect things throughout the day. Taking the time to put those things away and put them in their proper places is also a form of a tiny tidy, and I am doing this one after dinner because I am wiping down my countertops and this stuff collected there.
Golden things.
And of course, wiping down your dining table after eating is an after dinner tiny tidy as well. Wiping down any surfaces that you use to cook or prepare food on, like your stove, that is a great example of a tiny tidy that actually, if you practice this and you do this often, you avoid a huge mess.
Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same. 'Cause I just can't let go, and there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone.
Totally not mandatory, but if you do want to go the extra mile, you can always give your sink a good clean after dinner so that way it is nice and fresh for the next day.
Emotionless in this world of stories, oh, like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your call. Lovers come, lovers go, and their hearts seem to change, but mine's still the same. 'Cause I still love them all, and my heart's not to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, in this world of stories, oh, like stone, I'm fixed in a framework that is moving beyond my control. Like stone, I'm motionless in this world of stories, oh, like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your call.
Taking a little extra time to refill soaps and make sure everything is in order for the next day is also a tiny tidy.
Took a blow, turned a cheek. Those lessons cut me deep. I've never been the same. Painted bright or monotone, deep splashes of black. In pain the contrast grows. Make a masterpiece of mess. Even unknown can be safe. If the fog is thick, keep pressing on, never shy away. Find the light inside of you. Follow warmth and see it through. Throw more candle on the fire. Go ahead, trust yourself. Trust yourself. And it drew.
Vacuuming or sweeping up crumbs, that is a after dinner tiny tidy that helps to keep things nice and tidy all the time.
Black and white, took years to untie the bondage of those lies. They're confused, call me lost. I've never been more free. I've never seen so clear. There is life outside the lies. We're diverse and divided. Sit with self and start to build. Learn to thrive. Find the light inside of you. Follow warmth and see it through. Throw more candle on the fire. Go ahead, trust yourself. Find the light inside of you. Follow warmth, see it through. Throw more candle on the fire. Go ahead.
So as you can see, cleaning up after dinner is just a series of tiny tidies put together. Some of these tiny tidies can be done before dinner or at other times during the day, but this is just an example of some things that I do after dinner.
Trust yourself.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this video inspired and motivated you, and I hope you tidied along with me. If you did, let me know what you tidied in the playlist. Don't forget to check out Sunday's channel and the playlist in my description box below. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Put on makeup. You gonna be okay? Can I put some lipstick on?